Visit Tuscany.com. Panzanella, traditional Tuscan recipes. Place the stale Tuscan bread to soak in a bowl full of water. Chop the ripe tomatoes on a wooden chopping board. Peel and slice a red onion. Slice a cucumber. Squeeze the bread with your hands and crumble it into a bowl. Add the chopped tomatoes, onion and cucumber. Mix with your hands. Add salt, ground black pepper, red wine vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Mix again using 2 spoons. Add some basil. Panzanella ingredients: 300 grams of stale Tuscan bread, a few days old, or any country-style bread, 2 ripe tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1 cucumber, fresh basil leaves, salt, freshly ground black pepper, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. Method: break up the bread and place the pieces into a large bowl. Cover with cold water. Finely slice the onion and soak it in cold water. Chop the tomatoes and collect them into a bowl. Slice the cucumber and add it to the tomatoes. After 10 minutes, when the bread is soft, squeeze it and crumble it with your hands. Put the bread in a large bowl and dress it with the well-drained onion, the chopped tomatoes, the sliced cucumbers and fresh basil, torn roughly with your hand. Season with salt and ground black pepper, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and pour a small quantity of red wine vinegar. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale Ente Nazionale Sordi Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.